Stop! Before you skip this video, let me ask you something that'll make your jaw drop. What if every dollar in your bank account right now could be worthless in 5 years? But there's a secret army of 60 million people already preparing for what's coming next. I'm about to expose the financial apocalypse that banks are desperately trying to hide from you, and why 3 cryptocurrencies are about to make early adopters filthy rich, while everyone else gets left behind. What's good, crypto family? Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Today we're diving deep into the biggest story that mainstream media is trying to bury. How Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Pi Network are literally dismantling the traditional financial system piece by piece. By the end of this video, you'll understand why your bank account might become as obsolete as a flip phone. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let me paint you a picture that's going to make your blood boil. Right now, as you're watching this video, your hard-earned money is sitting in a bank account where you don't actually control it. Think I'm being dramatic? Try withdrawing $10,000 in cash today, and watch how many hoops they make you jump through. Try sending money to your cousin in another country, and see how much they steal in fees. That's not your money, that's their money that they're letting you borrow. But here's where it gets absolutely insane. While traditional banks are charging you fees to access your own money, Bitcoin has been operating 24/7 for over 15 years without a single day of downtime. No CEO, no board of directors, no government puppet masters, just pure, unstoppable digital money that belongs to you. And Ethereum? Don't even get me started. This absolute beast didn't just create digital money. It created an entire financial system that runs on code instead of corrupt bankers. We're talking about smart contracts that execute automatically, decentralized exchanges that never close, and financial products that don't require a credit check or your firstborn child as collateral. Before we dive deeper into this rabbit hole, smash that like button if you're tired of banks treating you like a financial peasant, and hit subscribe because we're about to expose some truths that will change your perspective forever. Now here's where things get really spicy. Enter Pi Network, and this is where my jaw literally hit the floor. While everyone was arguing about Bitcoin's energy consumption and Ethereum's gas fees, a group of Stanford PhDs said, "Hold our coffee," and created something that's about to democratize crypto like never before. Picture this, 60 million people, that's actually more than the population of South Korea, are already mining Pi cryptocurrency using nothing but their smartphones. No expensive mining rigs, no massive electricity bills, no technical PhD required. Just download the app, tap a button once a day, and you're officially part of the decentralized revolution. But here's my hot take that might ruffle some feathers. Pi Network isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a Trojan horse for mass crypto adoption. Think about it. While Bitcoin and Ethereum attract the tech-savvy and the wealthy, Pi is quietly onboarding your grandmother, your barista, and that guy who still thinks Wi-Fi is magic. And the timing? Chef's kiss, perfect. While governments worldwide are scrambling to create their own digital currencies, those CBDCs, central bank digital currencies that give them even more control, Pi Network is building the infrastructure for true peer-to-peer value transfer. Let me drop some perspective that'll make you think differently about this whole space. We're not just talking about better payment systems here, we're talking about human rights. Right now, 1.4 billion adults globally don't have access to basic banking services. That's 1.4 billion people who can't save money securely, can't access credit, can't participate in the global economy. But with just a smartphone and an internet connection, these same people can now store value that can't be inflated away by corrupt governments, send money across borders instantly without Western Union's highway robbery fees, access financial services without begging a bank for permission, participate in a global economy that operates 24/7. This isn't just financial innovation, this is financial liberation. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room that has traditional institutions absolutely terrified. When money becomes truly decentralized, what happens to the middlemen who've been skimming off the top for centuries? What happens to the banks that charge you for the privilege of lending your money to other people at higher interest rates? If this is making sense and you're starting to see the bigger picture, drop a fire emoji in the comments and let me know which cryptocurrency you think will have the biggest impact on your financial future. Here's my bold prediction, that might sound crazy, but hear me out. We're witnessing the early stages of the greatest wealth redistribution in human history. Not from rich to poor, but from centralized institutions to individual people like you. Bitcoin is becoming digital gold, a store of value that governments can't print more of when they need to fund their latest spending spree. Ethereum is becoming the foundation of Web3. Imagine the internet, but where you own your data, your identity, and your digital assets. And Pi Network? It's becoming the gateway drug that introduces billions of people to this new financial paradigm. But let's keep it 100. This revolution isn't going to be smooth sailing. Governments are already trying to regulate crypto out of existence. Scammers are exploiting people's FOMO. And yes, Pi Network still needs to prove itself by launching its open mainnet and demonstrating real-world utility. However, and this is crucial, every revolution faces resistance from the old guard. The internet was once dismissed as a fad. Social media was called a waste of time. Now try running a business without either of them. You know, the same institutions that are fighting crypto today will be offering crypto services tomorrow. And, why is that? Well, because they have to. Honestly, the train has already left the station, and they can either get on board or get left behind. Here's what I genuinely believe. We're not just investing in cryptocurrencies, we're investing in freedom. Freedom from inflation that steals our purchasing power. Freedom from banks that treat us like cattle. Freedom from governments that think they know how to spend our money better than we do. Alright, crypto family, let's wrap this up with some real talk. Whether you're Team Bitcoin, Team Ethereum, Team Pi, or Team all of the above, the message is crystal clear. The future of money is decentralized and it's happening right now. The choice is yours. You can either be part of this historical shift or watch it happen from the sidelines while complaining about missed opportunities. If this video opened your eyes to what's really happening in the crypto space, do me a massive favor and smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're building something special here, a community of forward-thinking individuals who refuse to accept the status quo. Drop a comment and let me know, which aspect of decentralized finance excites you the most? Are you already mining Pi? Are you hodling Bitcoin and Ethereum? I read every single comment and love connecting with this incredible community. And hey, if this content helped you understand the bigger picture, share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Knowledge shared is power multiplied. Don't forget to check out our other videos where we break down complex crypto topics into digestible insights that actually matter. Until next time, keep stacking, keep learning, and keep pushing for that financial freedom. Peace out, crypto fam.